So I've got a bag of 52 meatballs and 1 cup of just plain water. To that, we're gonna be adding another cup of just straight soy sauce. This is such a great recipe. You can use it for like an appetizer for game day, watch parties, or you can actually serve this as the protein in a dish. 1 cup of dark brown sugar. That's half a cup right there. And another half cup. 1 full cup of brown sugar. 1 teaspoon of ginger. And 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Half a tablespoon. A whole tablespoon. Mix this together. Make sure that all that brown sugar gets mixed in with all those liquids. Such a great recipe. If you like, you know, a little Asian flavor, this is going to be the perfect kind of meatball appetizer for you, or, you know, as a main protein. To that mixture, we're going to be adding 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch to act as a thickener. Just like that. And then give this another mix. You want to make sure that you're mixing in this cornstarch while the liquid is still cold, otherwise it's going to get super lumpy, and nobody needs a lumpy gravy. Pour this whole thing over the meatballs. Then just put the lid on this and set this on high for 2 hours or on low for 4. Wow, take a look. I give everything a quick stir. Now that sauce is gonna thicken up as it cools off as well. Oh, that looks so good, guys. Let me go ahead, and I've got a bowl of rice. You can actually just eat this with like toothpicks and you use it like an appetizer, but I'm just gonna make a little bowl. Let me do a little taste test. Oh, so good. Mongolian meatballs, so good, and so easy to make. You should totally make a batch.